I'm MJ with Summit Bike Club. We're a junior development program based out of Park City, Utah. We've got programs in 5 different states. We are also the promoters of the Soldier Hollow Bike Festival, previously known as the Soldier Hollow Pro XCT. It's a high-level mountain bike race based in Soldier Hollow, which is in Midway, Utah. Dates are May 3 to 5 next year in 2019. We're focused on high-level mountain bike racing, so we're going to be attracting pros from internationally, from Europe, Canada, and across the US. We also have a bunch of vendors that are going to be coming out, showing off their products, doing demos. Soldier Hollow Bike Festival, it consists of a UCI HC level stage race, which consists of 4 days of racing with a time trial, cross-country race, short track, and a marathon day for the elites. It also has a UCI Junior World Series event, which is a cross-country race for 17 to 18-year-old juniors on an international level. We have a 40-mile dirt fondo, which starts around the Soldier Hollow venue and does a big lap around the Forest Service there. Soldier Hollow is an Olympic venue for the 2002 Winter Olympics. They hosted the Nordic skiing, the biathlon, so we have a unique opportunity to do a mountain bike biathlon at the Olympic venue. So you do a lap of the course, shoot the pellet guns at the targets, just like they did in Olympics, and vendor expo and a bunch of stuff over 3 days. All right, I want to fill you in on some of the vendor and demo areas that we will have at the Soldier Hollow Bike Festival. Everything will be based right around the races, right in one spot. There'll be opportunities to demo gravel bikes, mountain bikes, road bikes, all right there. Go into one location, try bikes, come back, try new bikes, visit with wheels and pedals and different opportunities with vendors. Hope to see you out there.